Square Jotform Integration. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect or integrate Jotform within Square and start collecting payments with it. As you know, Jotform is going to be well known for creating paying forms or paid forms. That means that when you're going to create a product, you're going to create it in a form of a form, and then you're going to collect the let's say the money of it on it. Now, how we can connect these two platforms? So it is going to be, let's say, being a sales channel or considered a sales channel for SquareUp. So we're going to head over the online store. As you can see, click on online store here. We're going to wait for a few seconds and it is going to load up another dashboard. This dashboard is going to be changing and we're going to be right here. Now, we're going to click on apps. You're not going basically to see it from here, but I'm going to select any of these apps, click on it. It is going to take us to the marketplace of Square. I'm not going to install this, but I'm going to click on the search bar here, type in Jot, and you're going to see Jotform. I'm going to click on Jotform. It is going to take me here. Click on Get Started. So we are going to wait here. I'm going to sign in or log in into my account. So I have this one. It is going to be connecting. Wait. I'm going to have this integrate with Square. So we're going to have it right there. As you can see, we can build a secure payment form, add Square, start receiving payments. So integrate with Square. And it is going to create your new form. So we are going to put the integration. I'm going to add the form. As you can see, we are going to connect and we are going to do the process from here. So it is going to be an exchanging way to set up here the forms. I'm going to sign in and here we go. So I'm going to allow here the sharing of the information. Boom. We're on the live mode, business location, everything. We can go ahead and start by adding here the product. As you can see, the product name, modify it or upload the product. As you can see, maybe this has an iPad. I don't know here. The price is going to be something like, I don't know here, $5.99. The quantity, boom, as you can see like that. You can go ahead and check up the quantity to 1. Here I'm going to put the product name. iPad Air, for example, 11-inch Retina display. Boom. You can go ahead and set up the description of it, and then you're going to have the total. That was pretty much it. So it is going to be something like that, and boom. Then you are going to set it up as here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you in on the next one.